Alright guys, let's do a video on a 5-speed swap for an Sn95. I've knocked most of this out and realized auto cars have where you gotta trim the transmission tunnel out some. So you can see I started trimming on it and figured I'd make a video about it real quick and see how much more came off there. I pretty much cut off the bolt holes. So a pretty simple job. It ain't too bad to do. This is the automatic pedal. I didn't take the steering column out. I pretty much reached up inside there, unbolted these bolts, and switched it out. It's not that very hard of a job, but I want to make note when you're doing an automatic to a 5-speed swap, take consideration that you need to trim this transmission tunnel out. Probably about 3/4 to an inch. So besides that, it's pretty much straightforward. Anyways, hope everybody has a good day.